Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Bhumika Makhuri. Here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Air pollution linked to decline in brain health among older adults. UCL study finds long-term exposure to high levels of air pollution may harm the brain health of older adults in England, finds a new study led by UCL researchers. Findings are published in the Journals of Gerontology, Series A. The study found that exposure to nitrogen dioxide and fine particulate matter is linked to lower scores in key cognitive abilities, particularly language skills. The researchers analyzed data from 1,127 adults aged 65 and over who took part in the ELSA Harmonized Cognitive Assessment Protocol in 2018. The team examined exposure to air pollution over an 8 to 10-year period and assessed participants' memory, executive function, language, and overall cognitive function. Participants completed a range of well-established neurocognitive memory assessments such as the East Boston Memory Test and the Wetzler Memory Scale, alongside immediate and delayed recall, backwards counting tasks, and shape drawing. The findings showed that individuals residing in areas with the highest levels of nitrogen dioxide and fine particulate matter performed worse on cognitive tests compared to those living in areas with average pollution levels. The most compelling evidence of association was observed in language skills, with individuals in the most polluted areas scoring in the bottom third of the cognitive tests performed. The study also found that different sources of air pollution have varying effects on cognitive health. Lead author Dr. Giorgio Di Gessa, UCL Epidemiology and AM Health, said, "Our study shows that air pollution is not just harmful to the lungs and heart but also to brain health, especially when people are exposed to high levels for long periods." The most consistent links we found were with language ability, which may indicate that certain pollutants have a specific effect on particular cognitive processes.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.